Hello, dear students. Actually, during the class, we were looking for the R.Java file. We didn't find it easily using the project view, actually, from within Android Studio. It was hidden somewhere. And even by searching for the file from the search facility of Windows, actually, the file browser of Windows, it was also difficult to find it. So all that you have to do is to go to your application folder, then to the app folder, build the generated folder, then to the source subfolder. There is a subfolder called R, within which you can find the test Java files and the debug Java files, within which you can find your package name. You navigate till you reach your R.Java file. Okay, so it's app build generated source R debug and then your package name, and finally you find the file. As you may notice, it's not as easy as expected. With Ctrl F, if we look up for our button, the button was clicked, I think it was named like that, so we should find it here. And as you notice, it is an integer, and this is why in our code, if you still remember, when we tried to add this directly, this resource ID to a string, so it means to concatenate it with a string, we obtained a series of digits. Actually, this exact value here, um, uh, the integer value representing this hexadecimal value here. But when we use the resources resolver and we obtain the string, or we looked up the string from the XML file, strings.xml file, this would give us a string object that we can concatenate, and the string object actually, it really represents the value of this string key here, this string name here. Okay, and that's it. Thank you very much for your attention.